guys, we are coming up, getting closer to base camp here. This is the river we're going to be going up, a mile to the lake. All right, guys, we're about a mile in here, and base camp is right around the bend here. We're going to see a lean-to. I'm going to pull over and start setting up. I'm going to take a few videos before we get set up, and then I'll take some vids after and show you how we got everything set up here. Base camp, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
You can put your tent here if you want. This ain't poison ivy, is it? No, I hope not. You'll find out.
Here we go, Polly. How's she looking? We got to dust a few things off.
We're going to just do a little fine tuning. I'll clean this out.
Yeah, we should have brought the blower.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's right there.
Okay, we're setting up base camp. Everyone's picking their spot out. Polly's got his butt. Is the cold yet, Polly?
Cold beer, brother.
All right, we made it.
Made it.
Looks like we
baby.
made it.
I got my ring.
Ron, you're really raking it in, kid. The river's over here. Beautiful, beautiful.
Stop being a shell.
Okay. I'm gonna get the tents up. Yeah, I'm shocked. You betcha, Uncle Paul.
Yeah, baby.
Wait a minute, Paul,
We're
hold
here
on.
again.
We're just blocking out the faces to protect the innocent.
We're back.
The tents are going up, guys. Mark's getting his tent ready. Looking good, brother. Ron, you gotta turn your door around, kid. Setting up base camp. Oh, what the hell are you doing?
Charlie.
What is this, Hotel Hilton over here?
Charlie, watch me disappear.
What the fuck? He thinks he's at the Ritz over here. Ron, did you see this mattress he has? He's got a blow-up doll under that freaking thing over there. Are you shitting me? Ronnie, look, he's hiding the blow-up doll under the...
Jesus Christ, Paul.
Okay. Kazan. Bear left. Yeah, he went behind the tree over there. The last time we came here, the bear was sitting on the shitter over here, Ron.
You're in hillbilly country, baby.
Betcha.
Are on sale this week for $19.99.
Okay.
Now is the time to start thinking about closing
Rocking
your
here,
pool.
guys.
No one in the Northeast has a
gonna
better
fire up the old
selection of
Griswold.
commercial grade winter pool cover.
Paul's looking for a strategic spot for the shitter. What the hell are you doing? He's gonna take a dump. What the fuck? Does the bear shit in the woods?
You gotta put up the barricade, Paul, and dig a hole.
You betcha.
Yeah, we gotta put the barricade up.
Oh, telephone.
All right, this is a shitty
Hey, there's
spot
no
now.
phone. No phones here. Paul, don't do that. We gotta show him how we light the fire with sticks.
Well, that's what I was thinking.
Rub
Together,
the sticks together. Hey, let's get that hung over there, kid. Okay, he's our resident carpenter on the site here. Yeah, always having
hell?
some. He had a few drinks, folks. So don't-
Something's hard behind this.
yeah. We'll edit that
Really?
out. I'll make it so it just goes smooth on the edit.
Wow.
Oh, it's a fucking
Fucking
knot
knot right there.
Oh my god, it's not fair. Sweet. Hi, it's just crooked. We're slurring out words already. We don't even-
Really, Charlie? You
We
didn't
got
even have that
fucking
much
two-
yet.
We got 2 beers under our belts. All right.
Oh, come on. That's awesome.
Yeah, Teddy, baby. There you go. There's a bear shit in the woods. He sure does. Okay, guys, we're gonna do an apple wood smoke on this. Get a few chunks in there and close the hatch. We shall return. Quick tour here, guys. We got our pulled pork going. We got our fire cooking. We got our mess hall here. with all the essentials for a camping trip. Okay, of course. That's cool. Chainsaw. We got our Weber over here, campfire. All the tents are up, the kayaks are ready to roll in the morning. I'm gonna be doing some fishing over here up the river. We're going a mile up this river tomorrow. We're gonna go into the remote lake and catch some fish. Hopefully we can get some footage for you guys tomorrow. Until then, rock and roll, guys. Back out. Enjoy. What are you eating, the clover? That's what the deer eat. Come on,
This is the stuff.
Come on, Jerry, eat a pine tree?
No, this is the stuff though that the animals eat all winter long, and they bale this stuff. It's very tasty.
Grunk is in the house. Holy shit.
Tasty.
How did it taste?
Was it good? You gonna wash
It
the
wasn't
town
bad.
out?
I'll tell you something right now.
Come on,
the
you know they put
cows-
pesticide on this shit, right?
They do. Jesus Christ, what the fuck are you doing?
And mostly cow manure, too. Wash it down, there you go, you're all
Yeah,
set.
you're a mouthful of shit. You got a little brown shit on your fucking lips. Sorry.
Yeah, what up my brow here, huh?
Those weren't croutons, those were the cows.
The fucking cows love it though in the
Buddy,
winter.
some bugs over there. Go get them.
Let's go scare some deer out of here, you guys. You want to go scare some?
Dude, let's walk down here.
Okay. Children, this is the effects of alcohol. This is what alcoholism does to you. No, coming out of the fields here.
Hey, that stuff. This
Yeah,
is,
no, that's what they
this is
bail.
shit
That's
the
what they bail,
animals
kid.
eat all friggin' winter long. You know?
That's what they eat, kid. Yummy.
This is the stuff I drink all winter long.
There you go. Yeah, Bud Light. I think is that Mount Chikora over there? Mm-hmm. To the left, the pointy one.
Well, yeah, it is.
Mount Chikora, yeah.
Yes, it is.
That's part of the
I
White
know.
Mountain National Forest. We're in Maine, but it abuts the White Mountain National Forest over there. This is a fucking bear! Fucking run for your life! Run for your life! It's a fucking bear!
No, wait a minute. It's a teddy bear.
It's a fucking teddy bear.
Oh, it's a teddy bear!
Yeah,
You
man.
betcha!
Walk this far?
There's no Uber out here, okay?
Oh, my fucking knees killing me.
Are you all right?
No, I'm fine.
He's good. Mark's gonna give him a piggyback on the way back.
Out there on the way out here.
All right, hop on.
Right here.
Oh,
See the
right
top
here.
line?
Right
Goes
here.
right up the middle?
And it comes right here.
Watch, and it
see?
crosses over here. Let me see, Paul. Heads up. Heads up, Paul. Watch out.
Now I see
This is where they walk through, right here.
I would never know that was a deer.
Hey, this looks like a dorm room in college.
Uncle Ronnie's drinking in bed. Ronnie, he's drinking in bed. He's like, that's his dorm.
This looks like Tommy's dorm room.
It's like a beer inside the tent.
This looks like Thomas's dorm
No,
room.
turn it on. I want to see the effects. Shut the lantern off for a minute, Ron. He's a drunken sailor right now. Wow, that's cool. That's good.
Yeah, I get the bear.
Frank is in the house.
I hope the fucking bears come out tonight.
Nice. That's
Looks
cool.
like Thomas's dorm room.
It's good. Okay, once we hit the covered bridge, oh, some nice structure under their neck right there. We're about, I think it's like a mile and a half upriver. Okay, that was good. We got another 3.5 miles, guys, so keep paddling. We have to pull the, at the end. Yeah, it's,
Hey, Teddy!
Ted, it's this many miles.
This way, we haven't made a fucking dent in the ride yet.
You said it was like an hour, right?
Yeah, it should take us about an hour. 45 minutes. It's only a mile.
Let's go.
We're just playing it up for the camera one. Yeah, it's a 6-mile paddle. It's a mile.
The treacherous waters.
Oh yeah, look at the rapids. All right, we'll catch us when we get there at the mouth. This is the mouth of the remote lake up here. Okay, boys and girls, we're headed back to the mouth. The waters get too rough here. We got white caps and the big boys are almost getting swamped ahead of me over here. We're gonna head back to base camp. All right, whatever, man. There's a pile of rocks here. There's smallies everywhere. He's peeling it, baby. Yes. Look how small that is. Look how he's fighting. That's how wild these fish are. Crazy, man. Look at him fighting. Dude, what a fight. Look Look how small that guy is. Easy, buddy. Nice little smallie. Beautiful. Oh, I just lost my rod. That's it. We're headed back to base camp. We'll see you guys at the rapids. There. Here we go. Keep her on center. Take it away, baby. Yeah, baby. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Oh, we're hitting bottom. She's tight, boys. Watch those rocks. Where are all the fish, brother? Okay. In that case, we'll just head back and cook some grub up.
Yes, we will.
Have a couple coldies.
Have a couple coldies.
Damn right. We're back out. Sammy's. That's what I'm talking about. You good, Nick?
Yeah.
Okay. Betcha. All right. Cheers, Uncle Paulie.
You betcha.
You betcha.
Did it again, cousin.
All right, let's go catch some fish. All right, go in. Get in there.
I already came in, you fucking pain in the ass.
It's the Wizard of Oz.
Yeah,
the fucking tree's
baby.
coming alive. We're going in. Crazy. We've got some old dates here on the wall. It's all carved up. We saw a few that were from the 20s. One was 1918, I think we saw, was the earliest, if I can find it. Pretty cool out there. Beautiful views here. Cool. Really cool. Awesome place. Go to the bathroom. Paul, what the fuck are you doing, kid? Are you out of your mind? What the fuck are you doing? What is wrong with you? Pull your pants up, you prick! Yeah. Nicky! Alright, this is hey, we're supposed to be in the woods, not fucking filming every 2 minutes.
Yeah, baby.
There's the plane. Let me just show you how many flies we caught today.
Alright, Ronnie's showing the Venus flytrap over here.
Caught flies though.
Yeah. Waiter, there's a fly in my suit. Waiter, there's a fly in my
I told Charlie, there was a fly in my soup.
hold
He
on,
said,
hold on,
shut
hold
up
on,
or
hold
everybody will want one. People, come back. Have some snake oil. You come over here. Try a bottle.
Wait a minute, we just found a used car salesman out in the woods.
A used up comedian.
Have some snake oil. I have a snake oil.
What's
for
your
you.
pitch?
Snake oil for you. It puts hair on your head.
Jeez, I can't use any of that.
Look at that sunset, baby, huh? Whoo-wee.
Beautiful.
Down.
It's a nice video for the woods there. Nice sunset. Beautiful. Bonnie,
Yeah.
how'd you sleep?
Oh, like a baby.
You slept like a baby?
Sure.
Where's the punchline?
And that's it. Slept like a baby. Cried all night. Tossed and turned.
You betcha. Where's the punchline? Let's try it again. Ron, how'd you sleep last night?
Like a baby. Tossed and turned all night and cried.
A bear in the woods.
Here in the woods.
You dumbass. You betcha. Here's a little morning video here. Let's see the coffee. What do we got here?
Coffee's brewing, bro.
We got the coffee brewing. The bacon's on. Okay. We'll cut. We won't tape the fly strips there. We're setting up camp here, getting ready to rock and roll for another fishing excursion. Generator's going. All that noise just for the coffee maker, Paulie?
Yep.
You betcha.
Gotta have coffee, man.
You betcha. Money B, Money B. Money, we got that jacuzzi all set for you over here in the backyard.
Oh boy, let's
I
go
turned
check it out.
I turned the water on for you. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah.
I see you put the heater on for
Yeah,
me.
the heat is on.
I see
Yeah,
the
there you
steam.
go.
Yeah, I see the steam out
The
there. It's
steam's
nice and
coming up.
warm.
There you go.
Well, last winter's a rotten egg. I'm going down now.